If you wish to reset your AirTag, I show you how you need to do. If it is another one's AirTag, they give you as a gift or you have buy from the person. First thing, the owner, the previous owner need to remove their AirTag from their Find My app. So they need to open Find My and switch to items and swipe left and click the delete and remove. So this is very must. Then you just take your AirTag and hold like this. Place your two thumb like this and just rotate this top disc in the anti-clockwise direction. That's it. So it's like a slide, then it will be popped out like this. Then boom, it came. So this is a CR2032 battery. It's a cell. So you can buy this on any store. If you feel your battery may drain, you just buy another CR2032 battery from a local electronic shop or supermarket and just replace the old battery. Not an issue. So you can see the plus indication. So this is going to be on the top side. This is going to the bottom. So just remove this and place like this. You can hear the sound. It's a small beep. Yeah, you hear that. So this is one time. You need to do this process until you hear the long beep. So let's see. Second time. Third. Fourth. I hope this one got it. No. Sixth. No. Yeah, you hear? This is seventh time, I think. So the long beep. Dun, 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 dun. If you hear the long beep, it's resetted. So you need to do this process until you hear the long beep. Now just take this cover. So it's like fix and move it to right. I mean clockwise. You can see. So just place like this and slide it to right. That's it. It's done. It's done. It's locked. So let's check. Yeah, it's already we seen here. It's connecting. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about AirTag, you need to watch this playlist.